Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com. If you're new to my channel, welcome, bienvenidos. My name is Jessica Flores and I am a beauty-obsessed, fashion-loving, DIY project-making Latina mom from New York City, and I blog and vlog at Domesticated Me. Today's video is coming to you from my daughter's room. I know this is weird because this isn't a kid's video. I've only shot in here when it's a kids-related video, but I'm actually getting through 2 unboxings today because that's just the kind of YouTuber that I am. I'm busy. I have 2 kids, one's 7, well, one's about to be 7 in June. Catarina's gonna be 7 in June, and then I have a 7-month-old, Clara. Grandma's over to help me out while I do this, so I'm just trying to get through them as fast as I can, do as much as I can while she's here. So I'm in here because my next unboxing has to do with kids. So you know what? I understand why people do this. I get why people film sitting on their floor. This is comfortable and it's so easy because everything's right here, so I get it. But anyway, so this is another one of my what's in my P.O. box videos. You might have seen other YouTubers call it a free stuff YouTubers get or free stuff bloggers, influencers get. So I'm gonna show you a couple of things that have been sent to me, but I'm gonna first start with this. This I received at an event. This is from Shea Moisture. I was at a dinner that they hosted and they gave me these products. This is the only thing that I've actually seen before filming this, but I wanted you to see some of this stuff because it's, I mean, really good stuff. I posted on Instagram in my Instagram stories while I was at the event, but because most of you don't follow me on Instagram, which by the way, big mistake, huge mistake, big, huge. That was my Pretty Woman impression. But yes, if you are on social media, please check out the description box below because I link to all of my social media pages, social and social media pages. I'm on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, you name it, I'm on it. So, first thing I'm going to show you is this. This is their sugarcane extract and meadow foam seed silicone-free miracle styler leave-in treatment, and it has marshmallow root for all hair types. This is good if you've really damaged your hair, if you color treated, if you are out in the sun and the beach a lot. This is going to come in really handy this summer because I always like to make sure that I take care of my hair after spending a lot of time in salt water or in the pool that's filled with chlorine. This is really good. And then at the event they really introduced us to this entire line. This is their Manuka honey and yogurt line. So I'm just going to show you. This is their shampoo, and again, this is with Manuka honey and yogurt. It's meant to hydrate and repair. It also has mafura and baobab oils. I will write all that down below. Made with fair trade ingredients. This cleanses and restores extremely dry and brittle hair. Again, super good for the summer. This is no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oil, no animal testing, no petroleum, really good healthy stuff for your hair. And then this is the conditioner that comes with it. And then this is their multi-action leave-in spray from the same line. This is their Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment. This I've heard amazing stuff about. This seemed like a really good thing to treat your hair, especially the ends. You guys, it smells so good. Can I open this? It smells so good, so clean. And then last but not least, this is their Seal and Shine hair product. This is basically like a finishing cream that you can put on your hair when you're done styling it. This also smells really good, and yeah, it's all, not only does it smell good, but it's all obviously very good for your hair. The next box I'm going to show you is the one that I'm really excited about, the most excited about. I love all these brands, but this one, because it just has a special place in my heart because it's by one of the brands. It's from a brand that I've loved for so long, and this is the first box that they've sent to me. You guys, it is from Drunk Elephant. Yes. Yes, I know. If you guys watch my beauty videos, you know that I love Drunk Elephant. I've been using them for so long. I definitely featured them in my nighttime skincare routine. I think I might have featured them in both my nighttime and daytime skincare routine, but I know I definitely included them in my nighttime routine because there's one product that I use all the time. And so yeah, I'm going to link to that below so you can check it out, but I've been in love with Drunk Elephant for a while, and so the fact that anyone from their team even knows that I exist is just, I am so thankful. I'm so filled with gratitude. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. Oh my gosh, it's so colorful and pretty. Oh my gosh, an elephant walks into a bar, and that's what the box says. Here's a card. Oh my gosh. You guys, seriously, this is like, I'm so excited about this. All right, I wanted to share our brand new signature shipper that will now accompany every order from drunkelephant.com. It's been a work in progress, and I'm so thrilled it's finally ready. I've also included one of my favorite nightcaps for your face. Mix them all together and go to bed. Oh my gosh. Okay, so right away I'm seeing that the products are featured are on this card. I'm not even gonna look because I want to be surprised. I'm so happy, you guys. All right, so it's got a Drunk Elephant sticker. It's so colorful and cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the first thing is this guy. This is one of my holy grails, things that I cannot live without products. This is their TLC Framboos Glycolic Night Serum. I have repurchased this now twice. So happy. In fact, I'm about to switch mine out. The one that I have in my bathroom right now is on its way out. It's almost finished, and I have one already in my little beauty pantry that I'm about to replace it with. So now I have another one. So happy. This is so good. Again, this has this is a glycolic, sorry, I can't speak, I'm so excited. This is a glycolic night serum, and it's 12% AHA BHA blend. This is so good for your skin. I have a lot of texture because I have scarring from when I had hormonal acne from my first pregnancy, and honest to goodness, when I started using this, it's just really helped me out. This says that this gel formula resurfaces dull, congested skin by gently lifting away dead skin cells, dramatically improving the appearance of skin tone, texture, fine lines, wrinkles, and pores. And again, I can honestly say this is one of the products that I use most often. I use this 2 to 3 times a week. It's so good. Correct me if I'm wrong, but did I just buy this in my last Sephora haul? I think I did. Oh no, I didn't. It was in my, no, I didn't. I know I didn't. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Drunk Elephant. I was gonna buy this. I had it in my cart, and in the end, the last moment, I switched it out for something else. But this, I'm sure you've heard about. This is another one of like a lot of beauty bloggers and YouTubers' holy grail products. This is their Protini Polypeptide Cream, 9 signal peptides. This says it's a breakthrough protein moisturizer, and it combines an unprecedented array of concentration of signal peptides, growth factors, supportive amino acids, and pygmy water lily for visible and immediate improvement in the appearance of skin's tone, texture, and firmness. I am so excited to try this out. I am so excited to try this out. Thank you so much, Drunk Elephant. This is going in my bathroom right after this. And then last but not least, this is Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil. This I have a sample of. It came with my my baby facial. Baby facial is another one of their cult classic products, and I have it in my bathroom. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm like going to this week. It was in my plans. I'm actually check out my weekly vlog because maybe tonight I'm gonna use it. I already had it planned out. I have this microblader that I'm gonna use for the second time. I'm gonna start using more regularly, and that was gonna be my whole thing, is that I was gonna cleanse with the baby facial, and then now I have this. So I don't have just a sample, I have the whole thing. I'm so thankful. Thank you guys. The next box is from Pixi Beauty. They have been sending me stuff for a while, and I love them. I love their products. Not only do they have really good skincare products, like great dupes for some of these more expensive you know, popular cult products that are out in the market, but they also do really good makeup too. I really, really like them. You can find them at Target. You can find them online. I will link to, you guys know I always link to the products that I feature in my video, so definitely check that out if you're interested in any of this. Click on the links below. So I'm gonna set the card aside. I'm not even gonna look at it because I want to be surprised as to what's inside. Here is the box. It says, looking like you, only better in no time. That's Pixi. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Look at all this! Oh my goodness! Oh my god! I love this. So this is their Eye Bright Liner in Nude. I used to use a white pencil just to color in my waterline in the bottom because it really makes your eyes look really wide and open, and you just look bright and alert and awake. So this is what I'm going to be using that for. This is definitely, this just helps make your eyes pop, so I love that. This one is an eye defined waterline waterproof inner rim liner in Tight Line Black. This I use all the time. That's what I normally do. I line my waterline, my upper and lower waterline with black pencil, so this is made specifically for that. And then I got some cool Endless Silky eye pens, and I'll show you these. This is in the color Matte Mulberry. This is in Velvet Violet, beautiful purple. This is a pretty one. This one is in Rose Glow, and then this one is in Black Blue. I actually have been a fan of their liners for a long time. They're so pigmented, they last, they stay on. They're great. I'm a big fan of those, so I'm really excited to try these out. And then they included these three products right here. This is their Large Lash Mascara. This is a Lash Line Ink liner. And then this is their Black Lacquer Lash Primer, a 3-in-1 product. And it says it plumps, primes, and defines. And that is in Jet Black, and then the liner is in Black Silk, and the mascara is in Bold Black. This last item I'm also super excited about because I have no idea what it is. This came from RocksBox, and if you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you know that I'm a huge fan of RocksBox. I have been subscribed to them for years now. I'm actually wearing the last couple of pieces. The earrings and the necklace they came in my last RocksBox video, unboxing video, so I'm gonna link to that one below in case you want to see it. But I'm a devotee of RocksBox. So when I got this in the mail, I was like, what is this? What is this for? So let's see. Oh my gosh! So cute! What? It says, stop, glamour time. So cute! Oh my gosh! So, you know what? I need a bag like this for the gym, so this worked out perfectly. I was actually about to go buy a little vinyl bag, so now I don't need to. It's filled with goodies, so I'm just gonna start pulling some things out. They know me. They know me. First thing I see are these little watermelon sour candies. I love these. Oh, so cute! I'm gonna use this. My phone's over there, but I'm gonna use this right away. These are pop sockets. They go on the back of your phone and they extend so that you have a little something to grip on. Dude, how many times, it can't just be me, but I've smacked myself on the face with my phone so many times because I'll be lying in bed scrolling through things, and I've done that so many times. Do you guys do that, or am I the only like crazy person? So this prevents that from happening because I have a good grip on my phone. Even if I'm falling asleep, I'm holding on to it. And it's in rose gold with the R for RocksBox. Super cute. Oh, I love all the cute little sayings. This one says sweet on you. This one says you've got this, and they are hairbands. So cute. Oh my gosh. There's a little RocksBox sticker, and then, you guys, There's a little dust bag. Let's see what's inside. So pretty, you guys. Oh my gosh. I legit have something just like this in my wish list right now. If you guys didn't know, you can add jewelry to your wish list. And what that means is that when those pieces become available, they'll get priority and put into your boxes. So I love that. This is so pretty. Oh, those look so cool. Oh, I'm gonna enjoy wearing these. These are really, really cool. And then there's a note. So let's see what it says. It says, "Hi Jessica, hope you're doing well. Here are some goodies to show you how much we appreciate you and help you stay glamorous when you are on the go. Thanks for being such a fantastic it girl." Aw, the RocksBox team. Thank you guys. Thanks so much. Thanks everyone. I really, really appreciate all of this. Really, I do. And you guys know that whenever I can, especially like in the next couple of weeks, months, I'm going to be doing a ton of giveaways because I love these products. I really do. But I don't have enough skin, hair, nails, necks, ears to wear all of this. So I'm going to be hosting a lot of giveaways just as a way to say thank you guys for supporting me, supporting my channel, coming to the YouTube video whenever my videos go out, hitting that subscribe button, going to the blog, subscribing to the newsletter, clicking the like icon, clicking the little bell icon, leaving comments. It all helps me out on YouTube. So as a way to show my appreciation, I'm going to be doing a ton of giveaways. So just keep a lookout for that. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in every time I have a video. I really appreciate it. Again, give this video a like, comment, and share if you enjoyed it because it really helps me out. As always, I love to hear from you guys. So use that little comment section below. Let me know. Do you have any comments, questions, requests? Let me know. Thank you again for watching. Click right here to watch my last video or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you again. Stay tuned.